This is my first video. Today I'm gonna unbox boAt micro USB cable. This is known as stuff cable also. I got this from Amazon at 399 rupees. It supports fast charging 2.4 amps and it is 1.5 meter long and it has 2 years of warranty. This USB cable is supported for Android, BlackBerry and Windows devices. So let's unbox this. So this is the cable and we got a warranty card in this. So let's keep this aside. This is the USB cable. There's a logo on this micro USB cable as boAt. This wire is made of nylon and it looks pretty good. It's very thick and it supports fast charging as well as data transfer, high-speed data transfer. Whoa, it got very big wire and it's 2.0 only, it's not 3.0. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.